So if you stream on your PS5, you know that you can only stream to both Twitch or YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stream to Kick on your PS5 without the need of a capture card. Let's go ahead and dive in. The very first thing we're going to want to do is on our PS5. You want to make sure you have a game loaded. Then you want to go ahead and hit the create button on your controller. You're going to come over to broadcast, and if you haven't linked your Twitch account, you want to go ahead and link that now and follow the screen and the prompts that it gives you. And then once you have that, it's going to give you a screen just like this. You're going to want to go ahead and put in your title because we're still going to have to leverage Twitch to send it over to Kick. So whatever we're going to stream to Twitch is going to appear up on Kick. So we'll be streaming to both platforms, which still helps you grow an audience on both. So once you have your title, you're going to come to these three little dots and you're going to come to broadcast options. You're going to want to make sure that you hit display camera, display chat. You want to have your include party audio, but most importantly, your video quality, you want to have it at 1920 by 1080 at 60 frames per second because you want the best quality showing on both Twitch and Kick. So once you have that in place, you want to go ahead and hover over the go live button, but we can't press go live just yet. So what we want to do now is you want to go over to your phone, to a tablet, to your computer, and follow these next steps. So we're going to come to a website called aircast.app, and I'll put a link in the description of this video. Now, Aircast is what we're going to utilize to be able to get our stream that's being sent to Twitch over to Kick. And you'll see here that Aircast is going to allow you to stream to more than just Kick if you want to. Now, Aircast is not free. For the price that you pay per month, it's amazing compared to having to buy a capture card, having to buy a computer. And if you're just getting started streaming now, this is a great option. And then as you grow, you can go ahead and get rid of the subscription and get some gear for you to be able to stream from your computer and things of that sort. Now, there's two different plans, okay? I personally prefer the streamer plan. It's going to be £6, £3 per month. It equates to like $4 to $7 per month based in the US. But if you only want to stream to one destination like Twitch and Kick, then the Essential plan is going to work for you. You get a 14-day free trial. The only reason why I don't recommend the Essential plan is because this little feature right here called Auto Start, and I'll explain that here in just a moment. So once you go ahead and select your plan, you're going to be brought to a page just like this. We're going to go ahead and select here stream input. You're going to select Twitch. That's going to go ahead and ask you to go ahead and give Aircast permission to access your Twitch account. You're going to select authorize. And then once you do that, you're going to see here that your Twitch is now connected. Now, this is the feature that I was talking about. Auto start when your stream goes live. Now, you don't want to have to do this every single time you want to go live to Twitch or another platform directly from your console. So by toggling this on, what this means is that every time that I go live on Twitch on my PS5, it's going to go ahead and go live on whatever platform I tell it to as well. So I'll show you that here next. So for stream outputs, we want to go ahead and hit add stream output, and you're going to see here all the destinations you're able to stream to. Now we're going to go ahead and select Kick, and it's going to ask you for your stream key. So to get your stream key, what you want to do is you want to come to kick.com, and I'll put a link in the description of this video as well. You'll get logged into your account, and here on the top right, you'll select settings, and then on the left, you're going to see an option that says stream key. Now it's going to go ahead and give you your stream key right here. Now you want to go ahead and copy this, and it's super important that you don't share this with anybody because anybody who has your stream key is going to be able to go ahead and stream on your account. So once you have that, you're going to come back to Aircast. You're going to paste that in the stream key, and then you're simply going to go ahead and hit save. But before you do that, you want to make sure you hit auto start. Start this output when your stream is configured to auto start. So we'll toggle that on. And again, this is only available on the higher plan, which is the streamer plan. So we'll hit save. And now you'll see here that I have my Twitch and my Kick both connected. So now what I need to do is we want to come back to our PlayStation to go live on Twitch. So we'll go ahead and press go live. It's going to say starting broadcast. You're going to see here that we now are broadcasting. So what we simply want to do is we want to come back here over to the computer, and you can see here that now I'm both online on my Twitch and I'm also online on Kick. And we can go ahead and verify that by coming here to our Kick, going to our channel, and then we should see the God of War game on the stream. And that's how we go ahead and get to be able to stream from our PlayStation directly to Kick. So now that you're able to go ahead and start building your community on Kick, it's super important that you make your Kick profile look professional. So go ahead and click this video right here where I walk you step by step on setting up your about, your profile picture, your banner, and everything you need for Kick to look amazing. So click that video right there to learn how to set and make your Kick look professional. I'll see you guys in the next video.